We're going to replace two 50-gallon power vent water heaters in the garage. It's a conditioned garage. Heat and cool. They're in a closet over here. They are currently ran together. No way to isolate the back one. It is leaking into the basement. This is all finished on the other side. So we're going to pull these two out and install two New Bradford White 50 gallons. We're going to put some safety pins in, put the outlet, just punch it through this so it comes into the garage. Let's see. Copper gas. 3/4 inch feed. Let's do some isolation valves a little bit better than what's here, please. And it vents right out the side. That's exterior wall.